There's our sponsors, folks, on the banner there. Excuse me. So here we are at day number 2, stop number 2, leg number 2, all that good stuff. Motown Harley-Davidson. We got our table set up here. We got donuts and coffee on the way. And as you know, into every good plan, problems must fall. Our contact here is no longer here. So yeah, we're flying by the seat of our pants for this one. I'm gonna take you over here and show you this bike. This bike's pretty sharp. Check that out, huh? Doing a little bit of work. They got a couple of really nice bikes sitting around here. Of course, they got the course, learn to ride course there. We are up to 8 bikes, 9 bikes. There's a very good presence from their hog chapter here, so we've had a couple people sign up to ride with us already. We're excited. We're going to see what happens here. All right, folks. We'll catch you in a minute.
Mr. and Mrs. McStache on the go. Leather jackets, wind swiftly blows. On their bikes they ride with pride, chasing sunsets far and wide. 22 states in 22 days, rolling thunder on endless highways. For veterans they pave the way, love and honor come what may. Roadside stops with stories to heed, a helping hand in times of need. Raise the funds, heal the scars. Heroes' journeys, their memoirs.
Don't fall off. Take me off.
Yeah.
Hey folks, Mr. and Mrs. McStache. We are at Hunter's Moon Harley-Davidson. Let's see it there, Hunter's Moon Harley-Davidson. They opened up, they are closed today, but they opened up the pavilion for us. Who we got? Jennifer's in? Brittany has opened up the pavilion for us, set us up. American Legion showed up in force. We got state commanders and the whole nine. It's pretty cool. We are up to 11 bikes. We have one guy that's going to follow us to the first stop.
Every stop that we've made, even like restaurants and things like that, we have met up with somebody who has told us a story about how this has touched their lives. Not so much our event, but like suicide, veteran suicide. And so I just know that this is what we're supposed to be doing because, like I said, every stop we're meeting up with somebody who's telling us a story or their family story. We got all of our sponsors. We can't thank them enough for helping us out. Hitachi Energy, Cardo, Rick Rack, Saddleman, Red Barn, Motac, Moto Boutique, Red Apple Counseling, and then, some particular family members, which in honor of Gerald and William Kelly, their son and nephew, actually on the trip with us at least through South Dakota, trying to convince him to go all the way.
Stick around. We're going to go see a sundial made out of a lady's leg. Big draw here in Indiana.
Yeah.
Just so.
We saw some bugs yesterday stacked up.
Yes, Volkswagen bugs.
Oh, Volkswagen bugs. That's
Volkswagen
Roadside stops with stories to heed, a helping hand
So I brought you to Roadside Attractions because, you know, on the McStache channel, we do Roadside Attractions. Well, you need me to hold that so you can get my embarrassment here. So I brought you to a Roadside Attraction.
What's it supposed to be?
12 bikes to a Roadside Attraction to see a lady's leg stuck in the air as a sundial. I had no idea that
The facility.
the lady's leg had no clothing on it, neither does the campers at this resort. So, it is a clothing optional resort with a big 16-foot leg up in the air that's a sundial.
That you're not allowed to take pictures of.
That you're not allowed to take pictures of, so don't stick around for the pictures because there won't be any.
Roadside stops with stories to heed, a helping hand in times of need. Raise the funds, heal the scars. Heroes' journeys, their memoirs. 22 states in 22 days. Rolling thunder on endless highways. For veterans, they paved the way. Love and honor come what may. Roadside stops with stories to.
Hey folks, Mr. McStache. We are here at Illinois' Harley-Davidson. And let me tell you what, if you have not been to Illinois' Harley-Davidson, that's a place you would want to visit. They have a ton of history here, not to mention a ton of bikes. They do have quite a good selection of bikes. Very well done display. It is one of the Route 66 Harley-Davidson dealerships. We'll take you out here and show you the outside over here. I guess that's the front door. When you see the big Route 66, you'll know you're here. But this is what it looks like. Big old eagle on the door there. They're going to do a ride today. We're going to join them on that ride to a couple veterans memorials. They've been real great. They opened up had somebody here from service, somebody here from motor clothes, and a salesman here to let us in and let us have a way around the dealership, get some poker chips and pins and whatnot.
A helping hand in times of need. Raise the funds, heal the scars. Heroes' journeys, their memoirs. Checking on a buddy down the road, carrying a heavy load. Family gathering, hugs so tight, in their hearts a guiding light. Every mile love grows strong, in their hearts they know they belong. For a cause that's worth the fight, two wheels under the starry night. Roadside stops with stories to heed, a helping hand in times of need. Raise the funds, heal the scars. Heroes' journeys, their memoirs.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks, folks. Love on your family. Check on a buddy. When you get back out there, keep it rubber side down.